Good morning, children. Welcome back to ICAN Physics. Now in this class, we are going to see the 8th problem and the 9th problem from 6th lesson. Let's enjoy the class. So the 8th problem. The current in a circuit falls from 5 ampere to 0 ampere. Okay. So the change in current is 5 ampere minus 0 ampere. So it becomes 5 ampere. Okay. In 0.1 second. Okay. So the time taken is 0.1 second. Okay. If an average EMF of 200 volt. Okay. So E equal to 200 volt. Give an estimate of self-inductance of the coil. Okay. So, what is the formula relate? E, L, dt. Okay. So, E equal to L di by dt. Okay. What is E? E is 200. Okay. Equal to L into di. So, what is the change in current? That is 5. Divided by time taken. That is 0.1. So, in the denominator, we are having 1 decimal point. So, it is multiply and divided by 10. So, L into 50, 0.1 into 0, 1. So, the multiplication 50 comes to this as division 50. So, 200 divided by 50. So, 0, 0 getting cancelled. So, 1, 5 is 5. 4, 5s are 20. So, L equal to 4. So, what is L? L is the self-inductance. So, unit of self-inductance is Henry. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? No doubts. Okay. So next one, a pair of adjacent coil has a mutual inductance of 1.5 Henry. Okay. So mutual inductance is 1.5 Henry. If the current from one coil changes from 0 to 20 ampere, so the change in current is 0 to 20 ampere. So we can take 20 ampere in 0.5 second. So dt equal to 0.5 second. What is the change in flux? So we are going to calculate the flux. Okay. So what is the formula to relate? So E equal to d pi by dt. So E equal to m di by dt. Okay. So when LHS are equal, then RHS are equal, then we can go d pi by dt equal to m into di by dt. Now dt getting cancelled. So d pi equal to m into di. Okay. Now what's the value of m? 1.5. 1.5 into change in current is 20. Okay. So for 1 0 it becomes 15. So 15 into 2. So 15 into 2, 30. So 30 is the change in flux. So what is the unit of flux? Vapor. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? No doubts.